If your poop contains gold, would you pick it up? Some pills contain edible, non-toxic gold flakes. The gold in these pills isn't broken down by stomach acid. It passes through the digestive system, moves through the intestines, and mixes with your poop, and is excreted intact in the stool. Normally, your poop is easily expelled from the body, but if you're constipated, the intestines absorb too much water from the stool. This makes the stool dry and hard, causing it to move very slowly through the colon. Eventually, it accumulates with partially digested stool, causing more stool to build up. And as it accumulates more, it causes a blockage. Frequent constipation can also lead to hemorrhoids. After pooping, you can collect and preserve your stool and donate it to people with intestinal infections. Your stool sample will be screened to ensure it contains beneficial bacteria and is free from contaminants. Then a doctor will place your stool into the recipient's infected intestines via a colonoscopy. This allows your healthy stool to replenish beneficial bacteria in the intestines, helping to fight the infection and restore digestive balance.